What are coilovers and how do they work? Coilovers, also known as sports suspension or coilover suspension system, are essential components in a car's suspension setup. They consist of a set of shock absorbers combined with coil springs, which are connected directly to the wheels of the vehicle. The main function of coilovers is to control wheel oscillation and maintain the stability of the car. This is achieved by absorbing and dissipating the energy generated by terrain irregularities, damping vibration and preventing the vehicle body from swaying excessively during driving. Made from strong and lightweight materials such as steel or aluminum, coilovers offer better performance compared to conventional factory suspensions. The main advantage of coilovers is their adjustable capacity, which allows the driver to modify the height of the vehicle, the hardness of the shock absorbers and the compression of the springs. The adjustment of the coilovers is carried out through a thread on the upper part of the shock absorber body, which allows the height of the vehicle to be raised or lowered according to the driver's needs. This can improve the aesthetics of the car, as well as optimize its behavior in different driving conditions. In addition, coilovers also allow the stiffness of the shock absorbers to be adjusted. This is useful for adapting to various surfaces, allowing greater firmness on smooth roads, and greater smoothness on uneven or bumpy roads. Adjusting spring compression and rebound also facilitates greater handling control, especially during sharp cornering and quick direction changes. In addition to improving vehicle stability and control, coilovers can also have other benefits for motorsports enthusiasts and drivers looking for sportier handling. By adjusting the height of the vehicle, the center of gravity can be lowered, resulting in greater agility and better response when driving in corners. Coilovers also allow the shock absorbers to be loosened or tightened to deal with different driving situations. For example, on a racetrack the stiffness of the shock absorbers can be increased to obtain greater response and maintain control at high speeds and on uneven terrain. However, it is important to keep in mind that the installation and adjustment of coilovers requires technical knowledge and experience, so it is recommended that it be carried out by specialized mechanics or professionals in sports suspensions. An incorrect adjustment can compromise the safety of the vehicle and deteriorate other suspension components. It is also important to mention that modifying the suspension of a vehicle can have legal implications, since in some countries or jurisdictions there are regulations on the height and modifications allowed on a car. Therefore, before making any suspension modifications, it is crucial to know and understand local laws and regulations. In conclusion, coilovers are an essential component in a car's sports suspension. They allow you to adjust the height and stiffness of the shock absorbers, improving the stability, control and performance of the vehicle. However, it is important to have adequate knowledge and respect legal regulations when making modifications to a car's suspension.